In today's video, I'll show you how to add a video scene inside a project using Descript so you can organize and structure your video more effectively. Start by opening your video project in Descript. Make sure you are working inside a video project so all scene and visual tools are available. Once the project is open, decide where you want the new scene to begin. In the script editor, you can insert a scene break by placing the cursor at the right spot and adding a new scene. You can also use the timeline controls to split the project and create a new scene at that position. After the new scene is created, open the Files or Media panel inside Descript. This panel contains all the video clips available in your project. Find the video clip you want to use and drag it directly into the visual layer of the new scene. Dropping it there will attach the video to that scene automatically. Once the video is placed, adjust its timing by trimming the start or end of the clip so it fits smoothly within the scene. Make sure the visuals align well with the audio or script for a clean flow. Play back the scene to confirm everything looks right and blends naturally with the rest of the project. That's it. You've successfully added a video scene inside a Descript project and can continue editing or arranging scenes as needed. Thanks for watching and happy editing.